Hi everyone. My name is Claire. I go by Claire. I use she, her, hers pronouns. I live outside of Boston, Massachusetts. My current job is at a mental health agency. I've been here the last 4.5 years. I work with in-home family therapy as a therapeutic training and support person. It's a pretty intense level of care. It's just under a hospitalization. We work primarily with the child that has a mental health diagnosis, but we really work to support the entire family. And it's a pretty flexible service. We, do whatever we can to meet the family's needs and like where they're at. So it can really range from like individual sessions with the child to family sessions to caregiver sessions, coordinating with collaterals and other team members. I guess a little bit of personal background. I grew up in upstate New York with my mom, dad, and sister, moved to Massachusetts for my undergrad, and then stayed here. And I really love the area. I live by the beach. I live more in the North Shore of Boston. So a lot of fun outdoor things to do here. And it's been really great during the last year when we haven't really had much else to do. And I guess in terms of the MSW program, I'm really looking forward to it. I think this program kind of fits my needs right now. Whereas I work a full-time job and I also have another part-time job as a nanny. And yeah, I think, doing this part-time will be really good, but I'm also really excited to jump back into it because it's been about a little over 4 years, or maybe just 4 years since I graduated undergrad. Kind of dragged my feet in going back to school, but now I'm back and I'm looking forward to it. And yeah, and I'm really excited to what, getting an MSW will have to offer and, the doors it will open. And I look forward to meeting you all. Thank you.